Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how we are going to convert a slideshow into a video. For that I have already created 3 slides. I'm going to convert these 3 slides into a video. For that, first go to slideshow menu. In that record slideshow, we have 2 options. First option is record from current slide and second option is record from beginning. What I mean by record from current slide means, for example, you have a 10 slides and you want to record only 5 to 10 slides as video means we can go for that. I'm going to click as record from beginning. So all the slides and start recording I have clicked. It will take you to a slideshow screen. In that screen, we can record how many seconds is needed for each slide for your explanation. That second is recorded. This is my second slide. In this, how many seconds is needed, we can record. And my channel is all about the software tutorials. If you are interested, please press the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell button. And this is a third slide. I have set the time needed for this slide as well. After setting the timing, it is all set. And one more advantage is in this audio is also recorded. So you can see the icon where your audio is recorded. For converting into a video, go to file menu and click on export. And we have to select the create video menu. In that create menu, we have options like full HD, ultra HD. I have selected full HD and create video. It will ask for the location where you want to save. I have given sample.mp4. Since the sample is already available, it is asking for replacement. So you can give any other name. So after giving that, you can see the rendering of that process under this. So it will take some couple of minutes. Since we have animations and audio, it will take time. So after that created, we can go to the desktop. I saved the video in the desktop. You can see the file sample.mp4. After rendering, we can click and see. So a video is successfully created and animation is given in this video, so it is taking time. And that's it. We have successfully created the PowerPoint presentation slide into a video with audio. So if you are interested in these type of videos, please press the subscribe button. Thank you.